Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set payment terms for customers in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first step is to access the payment term settings. Click the gear icon, that's the settings in the top right corner, and then go to account and settings, and under that, look for sales tab, and under the sales form content, you're going to click the pencil icon next to invoice terms. Step 2 is to add or edit terms. Now here, you're going to see default options like net 15, net 30, etc. So just click add new to create a custom term like due on receipt or net 10. Set the due date rule like 10 days after invoice date. Click save and then done. Step 3 is to assign terms to a specific customer. So go to sales, customers, and then click a customer name and then edit in the top. In the payment and billing section, you're going to set the default payment terms. Once that's done, click save. Step 4 is to use terms on invoices. Now, when creating invoices for that specific customer, their default term will autofill. You can still manually change terms per invoice if needed. A pro tip, setting proper terms helps you to manage cash flow and customer expectations. Use shorter terms for new clients and offer extended terms for trusted ones. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.